This is library, very quiet place. Okay, kids.
Wow, Mommy, I feel very happy today.
Please speak softly. This place needs silence. Yes, Mommy, I will be very quiet. Look, Leo, animal books are over there. Wow, Lily, I want big book today. Wow, this book is very big and nice. Wow, Lily, look at this big tiger. Leo, please, you must be quiet here. Oh no, Leo. Remember rules, stay very quiet. Sorry, Mommy. I forgot rules again today. Let us sit and read books nicely here. Yes, Mommy, I will read very quietly now. Wow, this Jungle Book looks so real today.
Lily, look, funny monkey wearing a big hat. Haha, Leo, that monkey looks very silly. Look, his hat is too big.
Please keep quiet. This place needs silence always. I am sorry, I forgot to stay quiet. Use your whisper voice and enjoy reading here. Yes, I understand. I will be quiet now. My story is magical. I feel very calm. Leo, I like your quiet voice very much. Thank you, Lily. I feel proud and calm. Wow, baby elephant is finding its mother now.
Oh.
He is so happy. Oops, my bag fell down. That was loud.
Hello, yes, I am talking loudly right now.
This noise is too much. I feel upset now. Don't worry, Leo. He will stop soon. Mommy, I cannot read. It is very noisy. Yes, Leo. Loud noise makes people feel bad. This is how others feel when you speak loud. I understand now. I was too loud before. I will be quiet now. I respect everyone here.
Mommy, I want to take this book home.
That is good, Leo. Ask nicely and politely. Excuse me, can I take this book home? Yes, of course, you can take this book. Here you go. Enjoy reading your book.
Thank you very much. I feel very happy.
You did very well. You were polite today.
Thank you, Mommy.
I tried my best today. Being quiet is hard, but I did it. Today was nice. I liked reading books here. Yes, Lily. Quiet places help us feel calm. Mommy, I learned something very important today. That is great, Leo. Tell me what you learned. Loud talking makes people feel bad and upset. Yes, Leo, we must always respect other people. You did good today. I am proud of you.
Thank you, Lily. I will always stay quiet.
I will read quietly and enjoy my book.
This story is calm. I feel very happy.
Can I see your book? It looks nice now. Yes, Lily. Come sit and read with me. I feel proud. You are both very calm today.
Thank you, Mommy. We are reading quietly now.
I remember I was loud before in library. Now I understand. Being quiet is very important. Yes, Leo. Quiet places make everyone feel happy.
I heard you were very good today, Leo.
Yes, Dad. I learned to stay very quiet.
I am proud of you. You did great today.
Thank you, Dad. I feel very proud today.
Mommy, today was a very nice day.
Yes, Lily. We learned something very important. I will always respect people in quiet places. Respecting others is always the right thing.
Yes, Mommy. I will remember this every day.
Today I learned something very important in life.
What did you learn, Leo? Please tell me.
I learned to speak softly and respect others.
That is a very good lesson. I am happy.
Yes, Mommy, I will always remember this lesson.
I am very proud of this family today.
We all learn to respect and be kind. Reading quietly makes my heart feel calm. Reading together feels nice and very peaceful today.
Yes, Lily. I feel happy and calm now.
They learned a very good lesson today.
Yes, they are growing kind and respectful now.
I will always remember this special day forever. Respect others and always be kind everywhere.
Yes, Mommy. I will follow this every day.